In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a view in Airtable. By the end, you'll know how to generate a clean, read-only link, so teammates or clients can see exactly what you want them to see. Nothing more, nothing less. First, open the Airtable base that contains the view you want to share. This is the specific database where your tables and views live. If you have multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one, then click into the base so you can work inside it. Next, choose the exact view from the left sidebar. A view is just a saved way of looking at the same underlying table. Maybe it's filtered to show only active tasks or sorted by due date. You might be using a grid view for a traditional spreadsheet look, a calendar view to see records by date, or a Kanban view if you prefer columns and cards. Whatever you choose here is what people will see in the shared link. Now look to the top right corner of your screen and click Share and Sync. This is your hub for controlling how data leaves the base. You're not inviting collaborators here. You're creating a link that shows this view to anyone you share it with. From the panel that opens, select Create Link to View. Airtable will generate a unique URL tied to the current view. By default, this is read-only, which helps protect your base from accidental edits. Before sharing, take a moment to adjust the sharing settings so they match your intent. If you want true view-only access, leave editing disabled so no one can change your data. If you enable Allow Copying, viewers can copy data out, export it, or duplicate it for their own use. Be thoughtful with this option. If your view contains information you don't want freely reused, consider whether to show all fields when records are expanded. If your view hides certain columns, turning this off helps keep those hidden details out of sight, even when someone clicks into a record. Think of these toggles as guardrails that make sure your audience sees just the right slice of information. When everything looks good, click Copy Link. The URL is now on your clipboard and ready to paste. It's a good idea to test it in a private or incognito window to confirm it opens the view exactly as expected. Finally, share the link with your team, clients, or anyone who needs access. You can paste it into email, chat, or a project tracker. Recipients won't need an Airtable account to view it, and they'll only see the selected view, preserving the structure and privacy of the rest of your base. Thanks for watching.